Happy Easter, everyone. For us, it's actually April 3rd. We're heading out of town. I originally was gonna take our Easter presents to each other with us, but the weather has warmed up considerably, and 4 hours of chocolate in a car and possibly left in the car while we walk around made us a little leery. So the Easter Bunny came a day early today. So this is my Easter present from my husband, and this is my present to him. If it was a contest, yes, Robert would win. He always wins. So Robert, what do you think?
The rabbit came.
The rabbit came. All right, you don't have to say anything. So look through your bag. I got him these color forms. It's like a huge box. We're children from the 80s, and so if you're not from the 80s, you might not understand color forms, but if you're from the 80s, you can appreciate this. And so there you go, Robert. You're gonna open it right now?
Oh, well, I was gonna play with it.
Okay, you play with it. You play with it while I go through my present.
Go through your prize.
Okay, I just want to show you what.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh, this
Those
is
are
good.
chocolate covered cherries. I hope you like them.
I think I will.
They're dried cherries, but
Make me a bottle of wine too.
no, it isn't.
Oh, maple syrup. Oh,
syrup.
it's private reserve kind.
Your favorite.
I like it. Very
All
nice.
right,
Thank
so let's
you.
see.
And I got some nests.
You did. You
Two.
got a couple. Sorry. This is coconut, and coconut.
Thank you. That's very nice.
You got lots of coconut. He hinted that he wanted nests. I didn't know he meant he wanted 80.
I don't want 80. I don't need 80. 2, 3, or 4.
Two. You got two.
Nah, that's fine. I'm okay with that.
All right. So this is LA Verdict. I'm so happy that you got me another box of that.
You
And
open it?
I'm going to open it in a okay. Peel away the plastic or tissue paper for me.
Here's the card.
Oh, and a Norway Love. I love Norway Love. That's the Florida chocolate company that I talk about a lot. LA Verdict is New York, but it has several locations.
There.
And they come in the cutest wooden boxes sealed with a wax seal. Let's see what else we got. I want to know what this bunny is. What is this bunny bag? It is full of Cadbury. It's a Cadbury. Ooh. Is this an original foreign Cadbury egg?
Yeah.
Oh my god. All right.
Oh, that chocolate should be, I think.
So this is all directly from the United Kingdom. You have to, American Cadbury egg is different than the original overseas Cadbury egg. So that's quite exciting. I have not had
Oh, those are many things.
mini cream eggs,
That's it.
and just in this neat pouch.
Mhm.
That pouch is adorable. All right, I'm gonna have those for breakfast. Let's see. Is that Pikachu? You got me some more Pokemon stuff. Is this tea?
I don't know what's in there. I forget.
He has no idea what's in here.
I don't know. It could be an egg that's broken.
Oh,
Because it sounds broken.
sounds a little broken.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, this is like an Animal Crossing mystery toy. I've seen a couple people I follow in Japan with these.
There you go.
I'm very excited.
It's,
You got me a bunch of foreign stuff. That's, oh my god. This is foreign too, isn't
I
it?
think it is.
I've never seen that before. Egg in a spoon. Yeah, we don't have that in the US. Oh my god. Is this what I think this is?
I think it is.
You got me the new Pokemon bracelet?
Yep.
Oh my god. I feel like you're a loser and I'm a winner over here. I will have to say, this maple syrup was not cheap.
I know that.
All right. Banana caramel Kit Kats. This is all from Japan.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I have to do a separate video taste testing all these Kit Kats. This one is just strawberry milk.
Yeah.
French parfait. Oh, that sounds really cool. Uh-oh, everything's falling. Oh my god, did you get me the lotus flower?
Yeah.
What's it called? Cherry blossoms? Oh, I can't wait. And then this one is some kind of apricot.
Or peach.
Peach.
I don't know.
And then a lifetime supply of Cadbury eggs.
And those are from
And these are the 50 golden years. Oh my god, that is so cool.
Great Britain.
Great Britain too. Look at that. Cadbury eggs for, is there any hidden delight under? I just asked that because one time there was a Nintendo hidden under a bunch of stuff, but this is just Cadbury. That's okay, because this is amazing. The Easter Bunny was extremely generous.
Travel the world.
He traveled, it looks like he traveled to Japan and the United Kingdom. He is a very, very tired rabbit. So I do want, you know what? Open this for me. Let's see what's in that. Why I put that stuff in here. Keep these to the side because they're going in my purse with me on the trip. Taking this with me so I can figure that out. It's a 4-hour drive, so plenty of time to figure out this stuff. This is handmade, honey.
Oh, I don't know what this is. I don't know what the heck this even is. What is that?
It's like seaweed.
What the heck? I don't even know what this is.
It's
I thought it was chocolate egg.
You got me strips of seaweed.
It smells like freaking seaweed.
It is seaweed. You got me strips of
Well, there you go. Enjoy your seaweed.
Let's see.
Not very Eastery.
Oh my God.
Enjoy your Easter.
It's fishy seaweed.
Fishy seaweed?
Oh my God, taste it. You have to
taste it.
You have to taste it.
Oh, good Lord. Is this going to be like that?
A chocolate basket with fishy seaweed. It's a cute tin at least. All right, if anyone has bought Japanese snacks before and they know what we just ate, please let me know. It's seaweed and it's fishy. And that's the problem when you order stuff from Japan that doesn't have English writing.
I like the can.
The can is beautiful. It's well worth the can. But now I have to go brush my teeth.
Oh, that's nasty.
We gotta save these for my sister.
You should open up the...
I'm sorry, just give me a moment. I think I'm gonna need a Dr. Pepper.
That's disgusting.
That's pretty disgusting.
So what do we do with this?
Okay, so you don't have to break the wax seal. You just untie the, here I grab one end of the bow, you grab the other end of the bow. Just untie the bow.
Oh.
I know, we're both gonna have to brush our teeth.
That's disgusting.
They're better. So hopefully there's a bunny shaped chocolate in here. Ooh, and he changed the, has signature bunny box. I can't taste anything right now because all I taste is
seaweed.
Fishy seaweed in my mouth. I feel like I'm the Sanibel right now. In my mouth. Oh my God, they're adorable. Look at that.
Oh, they're little rabbits.
Look, there's those little ears, there's the little eyes, there's little jelly eggs.
Huh.
That is adorable. All right, Easter Bunny was very generous. I'm gonna go brush my teeth. 9 out of 10 is pretty good. No, I'm giving you a 10 out of 10 because the 10 is still awesome.
I like the 10.
But
that's the reason I bought it.
I guess people snack on
the eggs and
seaweed.
the egg.
I'm pretty sure this is a chocolate egg that's gonna have a toy inside. All right, open it up. We'll see.
Yep. There you go.
There it is. All right, I'll have to brush my teeth first, but then we'll crack this open and see. Actually, I don't think that's chocolate.
You don't? Okay.
No, I think it's just a plastic egg.
All right. I know nothing.
Oh my God, it is chocolate. Go get me a bowl, please.
Bowl?
Yes, because I'm gonna crack this.
Sunny.
It felt like plastic, but I'm assuming it's chocolate around a plastic egg. The things I can do one-handed now that I record everything. Yep, it's chocolate, but yet it's plastic. It's a little perplexing.
Oh.
Oh, it was the capsule. So that's white chocolate with milk chocolate on the outside. Can I get this capsule one-handed? No! Robert, you're gonna have to...
Rabbit?
Robert?
You called me Rabbit.
I did call you Rabbit. There we go, I got it. Oh, it's one of those you have to put it together. But it is this guy. I play Animal Crossing every day, but I don't have all the characters memorized yet. But you just put it together. I'll put it together off camera unless Robert... Oh, she's got a little purse and a little stand. She stands.
That's great.
I like it.
Okay, good.
He wasn't impressed, but I'm impressed. I like it. Thank you very much, honey. Are you wanting to open the normal?
No, you don't have to. It's too pretty to open.
No, we're gonna open this one too. Might as well. We're here.
Slide the bow.
Slide the bow. So everyone can see the Norman Love is like a beautiful. Their airbrushing is amazing. I got it. You hold it. You got it. You hold it in place. Ooh, and this. Oh my God, egg scape. Egg scape. The ordinary with love. And that's the thing I like about Norman Love is they include. It tells you exactly what each egg is. Oh my God, creams. You know I love creams. Yay. Oh my God. Look how beautiful these eggs are. I cannot go on and on. I can't stop going on and on how blah 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 how much I love Norman Love. We are not sponsored. No way he pays for this. But if you want some good chocolate, order Norman Love online. We do, because we're not in Sanibel right now. We're in good old St. Louis, Missouri. They're in Sanibel. They ship to us. So, Fort Myers. And I will have to say they are absolutely 100% beautiful. Norman Love, if you're watching this, sponsor me. I eat enough of your chocolate. I would love to get it for free. Anyway, this is it. We gotta get on the road. We're heading to Branson. I hope everyone has a happy Easter. Stay safe, and we will see you later.